The new smartphone and the Galaxy Z Fold series is a great fusion of style and functionality. It is expected to be sleek lightweight and available in various color. Some more features such as a better camera connectivity options and a bigger processor are also rumored. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will likely arrive in late August or early September 2023. The Elect also stated that Samsung is planning to sell over 10 million Fold 5 and Flip 5 units in 2023. Korean site The Elect has the first details of the handsets, and while not exactly surprising, the details do show continued year-on-year improvements. As you might expect, the handsets are set to feature Qualcomm's next big chip, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will reportedly feature a triple camera array led by the company's ISOCELL GN3, a 50-megapixel sensor with a pixel size of 1.0mm. Samsung continued to use Snapdragon chips only for its foldables, and this trend is expected to continue next year. It's also claimed that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 rear camera setup, and it's unusual for Samsung to set such a low target for its next-generation premium devices, as the expectation with every new generation is that shipments will be considerably compared to last year. It's easy to speculate on a foldable Android flagship like the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The handset should deliver a familiar design. Moreover, the Fold 5 specs will be on par with other 2023 Android high-end phone. Samsung decided the weak performance of the under-screen camera on the Z Fold 3 was worth replicating in a future model. And this are actually minor details in the wider report, which is more about Samsung's sales expectations for its future foldables. It comes with 7.9-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X display and 6.2-inch cover display. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 came with the 5000 mAh battery, and even this time Samsung also updated the charging speed at 45 watt, which will charge your Z Fold 5 within 45 minutes. Samsung is forecasting foldable sales of 15 million units in 2022. In other words, demand is going to drop next year even by Samsung's own estimates. Familiar factors are expected to combine weakening personal finance and demand for consumer electronics in general. Uncertainty about demand for IT and home appliances, including smartphone, has increased due to rising raw materials prices. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.